Set. And they're racing now, and a good dispatch. November Success, the last one away, and Beauty Admires being ridden back. So it's going back to last position here, and away quite nicely in the early part is Puzzle. Ocean Story is right up there with Aureus going forward, and Metaphor as well. About a length and a half, Bolshoi Ruler. Let It Rock on the improvers going up about 6 on the outside from Singer Song, and then came Black Fury as they settle down. Further back behind those then in the back half of the field, Aladdin, with also a November Success and Beauty Admire last of all as the field head off the far side. And it's Aureus who's a slender leader, although he's got Metaphor on the outside, a length and a half away back behind those then to Puzzle in the red colours. Let It Rock on the outside having a nice enough run. Ocean Story on the rails from Bolshoi Ruler, then Singer Song, Black Fury. Aladdin a long way back. Beauty Admire starting a run from out wide, and also November Success. So they're getting well off the rail here, and it's Metaphor who led the way from Aureus. Further back, Puzzle. Let It Rock's had a nice enough run. He's being produced into the race. They're right across the track here. Beauty Admire back in behind those as Metaphor takes Let It Rock off the track in the straight now. They've got 300 metres to go, and it's Let It Rock who's raced to the front and looked good now. He shot away from a Metaphor, then Beauty Admire battling away for the back, then Aladdin who's cutting back near the inside and running on well. Here's the grey Aladdin, but Let It Rock led. Aladdin's getting home very well, and Beauty Admire there as well. All the fancied runners, and it's Shafiq who's going to win it with Aladdin. Aladdin by a length and a half cut the quarter and has beaten Let It Rock and Beauty Admire. Further back behind those then to a Bolshoi Ruler. Behind those then Singer Song with also Aureus and Puzzle. Then came the wayward Metaphor, Ocean Story, November Success and Black Fury.